In the age of giants, the aircraft carrier rules the sea, but tiny drones are coming for its crown. This is the new threat, a fleet. Autonomous drone swarms. Small, smart, and deadly. Each drone alone is weak. Together, they think, hunt, and strike as one.
Against them stands a floating city, the aircraft carrier, America's $13 billion fortress.
Loaded with jets, missiles, and thousands of sailors, it projects power anywhere on Earth. But how do you stop 1,000 enemies too small to track?
Carriers are adapting, deploying their own counter-swarms.
In future wars, it won't be one missile. It'll be a swarm.
The fight looks chaotic, but it's pure algorithm versus algorithm. These swarms use AI coordination cortes, reacting in milliseconds, far faster than human crews. One hit might not sink a ship, but hundreds striking at once? A different story. The carrier's first defense: close-in weapon systems, shooting thousands of rounds per second. It can shred missiles, but can it handle a cloud of 500 drones? Even advanced radar struggles when targets move like insects. Enter the laser era, silent beams that cut through incoming threats. Lasers promise unlimited ammo, a tanky, as long as there's power.
But generating that power in the middle of the ocean isn't easy.
Swarms evolve in real-time tree. They can overwhelm by numbers or outsmart defenses through deception. Some next-gen models can even dive below radar, attacking from the sea surface.
One small blast, 3D, minimal damage. 100 like that, 3D, mission kill.
Disabling a carrier doesn't mean sinking it. Just knocking out its radar or flight deck is enough.
U.S. carriers now train for electronic and drone warfare, AIM, the next layer of naval combat.
EMP and jamming systems can fry or confuse low-cost drones, a temporary edge. But AI swarms may soon navigate autonomously, immune to jamming or GPS loss.
The next war at sea might not have admirals commanding fleets, but algorithms commanding clouds of metal.
A digital chess match between billion-dollar ships and $1,000 drones.
One drone, $10,000. One carrier, $13 billion. The math favors the swarm.
When every direction is danger, even the strongest armor feels thin.
In simulations, even partial swarm success can disable a carrier's flight operations.
That's why the U.S. is developing defensive drone clouds, GAUP, a swarm to fight a swarm.